coming. There's a couple of Ducatis working hard, the two factory Ducatis. It is Dovizioso from Petrucci in Japan. And we have 26 laps of it.
It was a classy second in a hard-fought battle. That was the first time Rins really...
Oh, this is going to be good.
And there was a full tank of fuel makes it... You've got all that to deal with as well. Once it starts, Keith, there's only one way.
That will have him out from...
Something's binding, I think. On track so many times, haven't we?
It's worrying, because if it is binding, while I look for this is... again, where it all goes... Oh, yeah, that's wrong. Oh, that was a big one from Valentino.
Wow.
He's gone in there.
Together.
Yeah, so Takaki Nakagami and Valentino Rossi down. We won't know it, but right now the incident still Maverick Vinales. Yeah, something's wrong there.
I'll tell you what's happening. The front's locking by the look of it. It's locking ever so slightly.
That's bad.
That's why it's see it wobbling constantly. Say going with that hard front.
Let's watch what happens as he tips in.
Trail breaks in, and it goes early, and that's
very early.
Doesn't it?
The past Marc Marquez just there.
I don't know if I say this already. With Rossi's crash.